This video is going out to the new owner, who's probably going to get this thing in, I don't know, 10 or 14 days from now. So just want to give him a little teaser. This is the land yacht. So Mr. ZW, hope you're excited. I know you're probably more excited than I was when I first got it, but hold tight, buddy. You'll get it there soon. This for you. Walk around. 2.5 years old. I bought it brand new. 6,400 some miles on it. And I've enjoyed it, but now it's time for somebody else to enjoy it. Yeah, it's a beast. Straight up NASCAR look to it.